Welcome to this new Xara widget series. In this video, you'll learn how to add a Google Maps widget to your website. This is an excellent way to display the location of your business. From the Designs gallery, go to Modular Websites, then Web Blocks, and select the Get in Touch Contact category. Next, add one of the Google Maps blocks. To edit the Google Map block, click on it and select Edit Widget. Then, choose Edit in Browser. On the Google Maps website, click the Share button next to the location and select the Embed a Map option. Choose the size of the displayed map and copy the HTML code. Finally, copy and paste the embedded HTML code from the Google Maps website into Xara. Click Preview to view the results in your browser. Your Google Map is now fully functional and ready to guide your customers to get to your business. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check out our other videos on adding widgets to your website.